Alright, so I'm finally going to install the Motorvation performance chip for my Bronco. I've had this for months. Never put it in. Don't think it's going to do anything. So there it is, and the little scratch pad and the instructions. So let's see if it does anything. Alright, well, we're out here now. I know I should do a before and after driving like 0 to 60 or something to test out like the performance and stuff. But I have these new 33s that look pretty nice. And I have a 2-inch leveling spring block like underneath this spring. And so the camber's all off, and I'm waiting for, it's worse on this side. Waiting for some camber bushing, adjustable camber bushings from Summit, and I've been driving around already, and it's a little worn out on this side, unless on this side. So I'm just gonna not drive it till then. So this is right here. This is the computer thing you gotta remove. So just a 10mm right back here, and it just pulls out apparently. So yeah. So I got the connector disconnected. So now I'm just assuming that I'm about to unbolt these. This one was one on the bottom. And then pull it out. I might have to take some of the fender wall, like unbolt just at least here, and just pull it in so I can get it out. It's like it's a little box. Alright, so I got that top nut off. It's an 11, by the way. At least that's what I use for it. And then it's impossible to get to that bottom one, so I'm just gonna take off this 8 right here, and hopefully this fender wall will just pull in. So I got them both out. I believe rubber thing also. And then my very own computer that I'm definitely gonna need to pull that fender back more. Fender wall back more. I got it partly out, but I'm gonna need to pull this fender forward more, so I'll just unbolt the other little things and pull it out. Alright, so I just removed a bunch of these 7 by 32nd size bolts. One here, and then along the fender. And now I should have enough room to catch out. Don't want to break it. Okay. Ford. Let's go, boys. Okay. Let's figure this shit out. Alright. I don't know how good the camera angle is going to be, but here it is. The Ford computer. It says some stuff on it. Well, I'm pretty sure this back and pops out, but I don't know. So let me watch a video real quick and I'll tell you. Alright, so this just pops right off. I hit this part, I just wedged it out with a screwdriver and just popped out. And then you'll see there's, well, I don't know about on yours, but there's like a paste, which I assume just to keep it clean, on the connector where you're supposed to put this little chip. So I'm going to, I'm pretty sure, remove this Torx, I don't know if you can see, this Torx head and this Torx head, and pop off the top just so I can get a better angle and clean it all up. Right, so got these out, and the top came off. The bottom, I think it needs screws because it's loose. However, it has some resistance, like wires or something, so I'm not gonna touch that. I don't want to break anything. I'm gonna clean this off right here as good as I can with a towel, and then give you a little Scotch-Brite pad. So, all right, I got it nice and roughed up with the Scotch-Brite pad. Just make sure it's completely clean. Now it's time to install it. All right, and so I basically just slid it on the connector. This is the only way that made sense for it to fit on. Yeah, you're supposed to cover it with a piece of duct tape once you get the top on. It'll stick out a little bit, but it should be safe inside your firewall. So yeah, let's go reinstall it and see what happens. So I kind of just covered it up with one piece of duct tape going each way, just to keep dust out. Let's put her back in the vehicle. Just before I reinstall it, this is what it looks like. Kind of just goes back, kind of by your dash. You just reach your hand back there, and it's just, I don't know, in your firewall. But it just sits there on that little tray and it just chills. So here it is, going back in the car. Yeah, right, it's in. Putting in, you just gotta push the fender down a little bit, have it unbolted, fender wall, sorry. And it'll slide right in. Just make sure you don't hit the back, because the back of the little chip is sticking out a little bit, at least for my engine's a 351 Windsor, 1993 Bronco. Also, this is supposed to tune your transmission, or at least shifts, so I'll let you know. I don't know how good I'll be able to tell, but if I can't tell anything, I just got scammed. This one was like $125, but I got it from Summit. But I'll let you guys know. All right, all bolted in, all fresh. This is the moment of truth. Hope she starts. Also, I have done the 6-liter tune-up. Basically, you do a new, you're supposed to get like a high output coil, but like I just got a new coil from O'Reilly's. New cap, MSD cap and rotor, and then new Ford Racing plugs. And then you get your spark plugs and you gap them out to, I did what is it? Fuck. It's like 5,000, 500ths. Hold it a little bit. Basically gap them out to 0.05. I know that's probably thousands or hundreds or something, but you can do that, or 0.55, 0.055, and then advance the timing a little bit. So my timing's probably at, like, with the spout thing disconnected that adjusts the timing automatically, it's probably at about, I just did it, I would have to say, I think it was like 13 or 14 at least. No, I think it was like 12 or 13 or 14, and then with it in, it might have been just like 12. I think it was 2 degrees advanced, because 10 is stock, so you advance it like 2 or 3 degrees, and then you put, yeah, anyway. So I've done that. I don't know if that'll affect, because this is made for like a stock tune or whatever, but let's see if she starts. So I have these fog lights now, batteries, but you can see those. All right, this is the moment of truth. No, it's not. You need to connect the battery. We're back. The real moment of truth. Fuel pump. All right. Gonna do a compression test in a little bit, so this will be interesting. Let's see. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Actually, today I'm not gonna do it, but by the time you see this video, I'll fix the camber, and I'll have driven it around, and I will let you guys know how it goes. So that's all for right now. What you'll see right after this is a couple dates. All right, this is about to be my first drive with the Motorvation performance chip. She's just warming up. Yeah, I'll take a video. I'm just gonna, like, you won't be able to tell from the video, I didn't do it before, so I'll just kind of tell you what I think and how it drives and shit. Alright, I don't know. I haven't gotten to like a straightaway yet. It feels a little peppier, but fucking bikers. That could just be timing. I could get the same results as timing. That was highly illegal. Anyway, about to get on a big road and go uphill. No check engine light, which was good. I got the ABS, but that's always on. So yeah, let's see how this shit goes. That was up a hill. Yeah. Oh, there's my mom. Anyway, yeah. I don't know. I'll keep driving around in this thing and see if it gets any better. Or if I notice anything like fuel economy. I mean, I can't really tell, but like it's almost there, but it might just be placebo. Like I can't really tell the difference. But yeah, if you want to waste not waste, if you want to spend $124 on this, I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest. I mean, at least not yet. I've been driving for like 3 minutes with it, but I don't know. Unless it like is incredible on fuel mileage, which I doubt it will be. Maybe it shifts a little different, but I don't know. If you want a better shifting car, just get one of those shifting kits. What the fuck? Little Beamer. But yeah.